sleeves in here. We're going to heat it up with a torch and we're going to put the sleeves in.
Okay. So we've been freezing the sleeves for 24 hours now, so we're going to actually use properties of physics to install the sleeves through heating and cooling. What we're going to do here is Kelly is going to heat the block with a torch, which will expand the cylinder, and then the sleeves being frozen contract just a little bit, and that's enough, as you'll see. Hopefully the sleeves will drop right in, hopefully with no frustration. Every once in a while one gets you. It cools, the block cools a little too fast and the sleeve warms up a little too fast and it gets stuck, but hopefully smooth sailing today. So we'll get started in just a minute. Just fell in the block. So 7 more to go, my friends. Every time we drop a sleeve in, the heart is just pounding. Well, that went fairly smoothly.
Yeah.
As you can see, a perfect execution of installing the first bank of sleeves by Kelly Bluebaugh. The sleeves are so cold after sitting in the bottom of the freezer 24 hours, it actually burns my fingers with frost. And then, as you can see, superheating the block, and that's when we get that action of physics where we get the expansion and contraction. We're gonna get you this. What does this do? Why did you
It's
put
just
this
going to
on
hold,
here?
while the block is hot, it'll hold the sleeves down. Because what happens is the sleeves,
Will fall out?
no, they'll no, the sleeves will, as the block cools, it'll push the sleeve up. So I want to keep them down. You still got to hit them afterwards,
Yeah.
but you want to keep them down as much as you can. Otherwise they'll come up.
Awesome. Okay.
That's just, all that's doing is holding this down. That's all that's doing.
The sleeves look like they went in really nicely. They just fell in there, so that could have gone better.